Session. So we are discussing the nazar of sacralization. Nazar of okay. Nazar of sacralization. Nazar of sacralization. Nazar of sacralization. What is that? It is the sacralization between divinyl ketone type moiety. This is a vinyl group. This is the vinyl group. Okay. So divinyl ketone, when reacted with Lewis acid or protic acid, when divinyl ketone heated with or reacted with Lewis acid, many are there, BF3, LCl3, FeCl3, there is a list, and many types, almost 1000 papers published on this reaction. Means इतने catalyst हैं, इतने अलग-अलग reaction conditions हैं. Okay, so this will form cyclized product, and that is what the alpha beta unsaturated cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone. Let us go for mechanism, and from that mechanism we can easily understand how the product formation takes place. See, this is what the starting material, and if you are adding Lewis acid, or we can use any protic acid, say mineral acid, phosphoric acid, and we can say weak acid, HCl, small amount. Okay, so this lone pair will interact with this Lewis acid, and it will give like this association with this proton. Now what will happen then? This can be show resonance. How? See, any one of this bond will shift this side. If I am shifting this side, one of this bond will open up at oxygen, and we can write this like this. You see, so when this bond is shifted like this, become like this, and at this carbon, which is CH2 right now, this acquire positive charge. This acquire positive charge, and this become OH, or we can say Lewis acid, no problem. So we can write Lewis acid, or we can write HRC, no problem. Now what then? This is what the resonating structure of these two compounds. Then what will happen? Once it is formed, okay, once it is formed, this may undergo further resonance. Okay, many resonances are possible. Then this may also involve that come back like this. But any one of these two, there are 2-3 more possible structures. इससे और दो possible structures है, हम उसको नहीं जा रहे हैं, because that is not our important aim. Our aim is to understand the how product formation takes place. These are the resonance structure or resonant structure. Now see, so once this is found, this or this form, so this bond attacks here, and I can write like this. You see, this bond formation takes place. This bond, when this bond shifted here, this acquire positive charge. Okay, and this undergo deprotonation minus H plus. How? This bond shift like this. So minus H plus take this. And we got like this. O, and it is associated with Lewis acid, right? Now what then? When you add water, means final quenching of reaction, over cup of reaction we can say. So this bond will break and you will get this one. This is enol form. This is enol form, enol. So undergo into ketotautomerism. And this is what we are expecting, cyclopentane. Fine. Yes. So you got it, all of you. Now, this is the reaction mechanism. Let us go for examples with conditions. Okay, examples. So before that, let us go for first condition. You write in cyclopentanone, right? All of you. In cyclopentanone, double bond. In cyclopentanone, double bond always generated double bond always generated double bond always generated. Yes. With highest degree of substitution. See. With highest degree of substitution. What is the meaning? Let us go for the discussion. Now see, let us go for this example now. This is the same, the precursor of Nazarov. This is what the precursor of Nazarov. When you add AlCl3, because it is a Lewis acid, in any solvent, say THF, not THF, we can use here. THF will react with this. We can add DMSO, or we can take CH2Cl2, dichloromethane, DC. So I will write cyclopentane on first. So can any one of you tell which side bond will come, left side or right side, if you follow this
Left side.
That's great. Finish. So you got it, all of you? Yes. Now more example, one more example. This is the example. So write the product. You write the product. Which side double bond will come?
Left side.
That's it. Go for next condition. Electron next rule. Electron donating group, EDG. Electron donating group and electron withdrawing group, EWG. Electron donating group, electron withdrawing group can polarize the conjugated system in the conjugated system in the starting material, right? In the nazar of reaction, we can say. In the nazar of reaction. Electron donating group is there. If it is the electron withdrawing group, they bring out the polarization and hence and facilitate means induce, trigger, accelerate and trigger, we can say trigger this cyclization and trigger this cyclization with a better regioselectivity. And it is a very nice point, with better regioselectivity. Okay, fine. For example, you see, to understand this idea, let us have an example. This is a simple vinyl divinyl ketone. Say now it is a symmetric molecule. Okay. Now here I am attaching a group, suppose, and here is one group. See, two chances are there. Suppose it is an electron donating group, and there is an electron withdrawing group, and you react it with the Lewis acid. Fine. If you react it with the Lewis acid, so we know when this donating group will donate the electron, so electron flow will start from this CC, all of you. Electron flow will start from this point, will go to this and end up at here. Yes or no? Yes. If you see the electronic idea, electronic mechanism, electronic concept of reactions, we will find that electron flow start from one end and reaches to the final end. So from here to here, electron potential will be highest at position, and इसकी जो पहले की position होती है वहां पे lowest होता है. This is the rule of electronic mechanism in organic chemistry. So here at this carbon it will be del negative, at this carbon it will be del positive, because electron flow ऐसा हो गया, electron यहाँ से यहाँ चला गया, therefore यहाँ पर deficiency develop हो गई है and here richness develop. यहाँ पर उल्टा है. What you say here? Electron flow will start from here and reaches up there. So this will acquire del negative. This carbon acquire del positive. See, this is a very much important point. To understand this is very important, very important thing. So now you tell me which carbon will attack, left pi bond attack or right pi bond attack?
Left one.
Left bond will attack,
Left.
definitely.
Because
So,
they have more
yes.
electron density.
Yes, this will attack. And we got this one. Yeah. And here groups are there. So positive charge cation develop here, right? Cation develop at this carbon. लेकिन आप ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो, कैसे हमको पता है कि इसमें कार्बोकेटायन बन रहा है। सी वेरी सिंपल अप्रोच, इफ यू नो द बेसिक केमिस्ट्री उसको पता है। We know in this the measure of cyclization, cation is the intermediate and which is stable, अगर उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप अटैच्ड है वो स्टेबल रहेगा, that's it. There are many ideas by which we can easily remember the concept. Now you add water. Now before that, this H will remove and it will give this double bond will deliver here. एक ग्रुप है ना ऐसा, yes, ये ग्रुप्स है, yes, like this. And sorry, now you add water, quenching of reaction, and that's it. Sorry, one point we forgot. See, yeah, ऐसा था, you should write this properly. So quenching will give like this. This give you enol keto-enol tautomerism and electron donating group, electron withdrawing group, and here methyls are there. So we can write the final product. Fine, you got it, all of you? Fine. What is EDG and EWG? Electron donating group, electron withdrawing group. Fine. So all of you got it? Yes? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Let us go for a specific example on this concept and try to solve the problem. Now let's see. So let us go for this example and produce the product, write the correct structure. All of you go through this and try to write the correct structure of the product. See, double bond delivery is very important. See here, there are various, already I told you there are more than 1,000 publications, research articles have been reported or published online, available by many scientists through in the world. You can also come forward and our lab is available for you people to do research, or we can say project. Those who are interested, they can come, our lab is open for you all. So you can also publish a paper in 3 months. Okay. Okay, right. Now see. Now, what is the catalyst here? So copper triplets. So see, catalyst can be different. So I am trying to convey you. I have collected this information to you people only. A JACS may publish white paper. JACS, very big journal. JACS, Journal of American Chemical Society, 2003. वहां का हमने पेपर लिया है, हाँ? JACS, Chinese scientist है. So from there I pick this example to convey you all. And yield is very excellent yield. Okay, copper triplets. OTF. Okay, and just heating at 55 degrees Celsius, and you write the product and mention the JACS 2003. I will give you page number also, page number 14,278. Okay, fine. So like this. So like this, we can proceed. So fine, final, tell me fast. Double bond, where you will write double bond. That's it.
Left
Or
side,
right?
sir.
That's great. That's great. Fine. Very good. So see, आपने क्रैक कर दिया है, जैक का पेपर क्रैक कर दिया आपने. जैक is a very biggest journal of American Chemical Society. Very nice paper. Very nice journal. Yes, fine. So write the product. So ये दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, but you can mention this one like this. So you got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Next concept. Next approach. You write this one also. This will boost up your confidence level. Okay, JAX का पेपर आपने समझा है. Very nice. JAX 2003 and page number 14278. उसमें वॉल्यूम वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है. वॉल्यूम issues मांगते हैं लोग. No need. आप you just write this and type the page. Excellent. Paper will appear before you if you write in the Google also. But Google में पेपर open नहीं होता है. उसके लिए अलग approach रहता है. Now see one more example. Okay. Now third case. Third case. What is the third case? अभी एक बंद हो जाएगा लेक्चर 9 मिनट के बाद. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, एक 5-7 मिनट पेशेंस रखना है, फिर ज्वाइन करना है. मीनवाइल मेरा लैपटॉप भी बराबर जान में जान आएंगे उसके. देन हम और नेक्स्ट स्कीम लेंगे और वो डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, और बाद में हम खत्म कर देंगे लेक्चर. यस, डोंट वरी, आपका विद इन द टाइम हो जाएगा. ये जो है ना, सी 1 मिनट, एक सेंटेंस लिखिए. सिलिकॉन stabilize beta carbocation. Silicon stabilize beta carbocation called as beta effect. Fine. TMS group, trimethylsilyl group. Trimethylsilyl group can act as trimethylsilyl group can act as a proton also. Now see, the first sentence is very of great importance. The first sentence. Now see, I am writing here like this. See. So ये exception case हो रहा है. You see, this is going to be an exception case. Now you see. Now you see, and if you add FeCl3, okay, so पहले इसको क्या करते हैं, हम ऐसा लेते हैं. सिंपल लीजिए, पर डोंट राइट सिंपल, तो समझने में आसानी होगी. अगर हम ऐसा ग्रुप लेते हैं तो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि किस साइड में डबल बॉन्ड आएगा, तो आप बोलेंगे इस साइड में आएगा, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, इसमें आएगा. लेकिन इसका मैकेनिज्म वेरी डिफरेंट है. कि सिलाइल केमिस्ट्री सिलिकॉन, यू हैव कंप्लीट 8 लेक्चर्स. 8 लेक्चर का आपको एक बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है इसी चैप्टर पर में, हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे अगर वो कट नहीं होता है तो. सिलिकॉन केमिस्ट्री. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैव देयर, आई विल राइट आफ्टर वाटर इफ यू ऐड दिस विल फॉर्म लाइक सिलिकॉन. गायब हो गया. It means somewhat different thing is going to take place. Now see, for example, ये 2 सेंटेंस आपको समझना है. पहला ये कि सिलिकॉन स्टेबलाइज बीटा कार्बोकेटायन, वेरी वेल. And one more example we will write here. 2 example we'll take. You see, now what you expect? You expect that double bond should be on left side, but when silicon work, it is not going left side. Very interesting example. Very interesting. Many times you find this such examples in the NET exams. Yes, why this so? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? That is our point of discussion. So let us go for its idea and stick to the statement. What is the statement? Silicon stabilize beta carbocation very well. Beta effect. So now see here. If I am taking this example, okay, and write its intermediate. So two intermediates are possible. One is according to you people, what you are thinking that this could be the example, this could be the possible carbohydrate. Yes, right? You focus this, read this, and I will read this now. One is possible, this one, and another is this is possible. You write left side. Trimethylsilide. Like this, right? Or we can say Lewis acid first. No problem. Sorry. I will write here. Mechanism में देखोगे ना आप? Yes. Like this. So here. Fine. Like this. We are expecting. In this left side cation carbocation, in this right side carbocation. What we can produce in the first statement हमने देखा है कि अगर more substitute double bond रहा कार्बन तो वहां पर double bond आएगा. लेकिन सिलिकॉन change the case, course change कर देता है. Silicon change the course of work or course of mechanism. This is more stable. Why? Because this is alpha carbon and this is a beta carbon to silicon. And we know just now, we came to know about silicon is stabilized what? The beta carbon. ये हम देखेंगे क्यों stable करता है वो आपका जब lecture लेंगे हम then there we will discuss. Detail में बहुत है हमारे लेकिन अभी हमको इतना समझना है is the silicon stabilize this beta carbocation very excellently, very excellently, and hence this will not form or may form in a small amount. This will form major, and then we know then this bond also. क्या sentence लिखा आपने? What you wrote second sentence? This also act as a proton, so this bond will collapse like this, and silicon will come out. And we can say you bond right bond. We can say Lewis acid. Fine. Sorry. ये bond इधर आया ये. Now you add water, and it will collapse like this. And I can write and ketoenol tautomerism. So that's it. So you got it, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
you must remember, जिधर से सिलिकॉन है उधर से डबल बॉन्ड आएगा. क्लियर? दो सेंटेंस याद रखना है. सिलिकॉन stabilize beta carbon, carbocation, not beta carbon. No beta carbon. Carbocation, beta carbocation, and I will explain. We will explain. We'll discuss when we go for the next topic discussion. Silicon chemistry. Second point is what silicon also act as a proton, therefore easily removable, and hence this is the point. I hope all of you understand.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let us go for next example. So अभी तो आपको आ जाएंगे सब examples, कोई बात नहीं. देखिए. Now you see, right fast. pH. Write it H plus ion. So write the product. ये तो आसान है, आप कर सकते हो, इसमें कोई इशू नहीं. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं नेक्स्ट. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. अभी लेक्चर कभी बंद हो सकता है, इसलिए आप जो है 5-10 मिनट रेस्ट लेके ज्वाइन करना है. ठीक है, हमको रिकॉर्ड करना है इसलिए, अदरवाइज ये तो आई कैन स्टार्ट थ्रू मोबाइल विद इन अ मिनट, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो. So I can take R equal here, suppose CH3. Suppose here I can write CH3. Catalyst बहुत सारे हैं. Just write catalyst. Room temperature reaction. So